Monkeys, fascinating and incredibly diverse animals, are members of the order Primates, a group that shares a number of traits bringing us closer to understanding our own evolution. When we talk about monkeys, we're referring to a wide array of species, ranging from the tiny marmoset, which can weigh less than a kilogram, to the mighty orangutan, whose long arms and impressive strength reflect a remarkable adaptation to life in tropical forests. These creatures captivate not only with their exotic appearance, but also through their complex social behaviors, striking intelligence, and physical adaptations that stretch the limits of imagination. In today's video, we'll explore the traits of 10 of the most fascinating monkeys in nature, highlighting their main abilities and adaptations. Monkey number 1, the Proboscis monkey. Among the most iconic species is the Proboscis monkey, famous for its long, pendulous nose, even more pronounced in adult males. Native to the island of Borneo, Indonesia, this primate not only draws attention for its peculiar appearance, but also provides a fascinating window into sexual and behavioral evolution. Males use nose size as a signal of social dominance and sexual attractiveness, a classic example of sexual selection, where exaggerated traits evolve to enhance reproductive success. Studies have shown that males with larger noses tend to have higher testosterone levels, which translate into greater physical strength and leadership capacity within the group. Proboscis monkeys live in multi-female groups known as harems, led by a dominant male, while subordinate males wait for opportunities to challenge leadership. Researchers have also discovered that the nose isn't merely ornamental. It likely amplifies calls and vocalizations, allowing the dominant male to assert presence, intimidate rivals, and coordinate group interactions from afar, showing how anatomy and behavior intertwine in sophisticated ways to favor the species' survival. Monkey number 2, the Mandrill. Another striking primate, the mandrill, exhibits vibrant colors on its face and rump that intensify as the individual ages and rises in social status. These colors aren't merely aesthetic. Studies show they reflect health, vigor, and testosterone levels, acting as visual signals of fitness to potential mates and dominance to rivals. Native to the tropical rainforests of Central Africa, the mandrill combines impressive physical power with refined social abilities. They live in massive groups known as hordes, which can include hundreds of individuals, one of the largest social formations among primates. Within these hordes, cooperation and competition coexist. Temporary alliances between dominant males, shared infant care, and rich vocal and facial communication maintain cohesion, while disputes over food, mates, or hierarchy highlight a constant power dynamic. Research also indicates that mandrills possess advanced social memory, capable of recognizing dozens of individuals and maintaining distinct relationships with each. Evidence of remarkable social intelligence that allows them to thrive in densely populated and ecologically challenging habitats. Monkey number 3, the Japanese macaque. The Japanese macaque, or snow monkey, is a remarkable example of adaptation to extreme cold, inhabiting the mountainous regions of Japan, where winter temperatures can drop well below freezing. This primate has developed unique behaviors to cope with the harsh climate, becoming famous for bathing in natural hot springs, a behavior especially common in snowy regions. These baths not only provide thermal comfort, but also play an essential role in maintaining social bonds through grooming and relaxed interactions. Studies show that monkeys who bathe regularly have lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, indicating direct physiological benefits. In addition, the Japanese macaque has impressive physical adaptations, including a thick, double-layered coat that offers excellent insulation and shorter limbs that help conserve body heat. They live in complex matrilineal groups with rigid hierarchies strongly influenced by family ties, showing that social intelligence and behavioral strategies are as vital to survival as physical endurance against the cold. Monkey number 4, the spider monkey. The spider monkey, with its long and slender limbs, is a true master of life in the treetops, displaying an extraordinary combination of agility, balance, and dexterity. Its narrow hands with reduced thumbs, flexible feet, and prehensile tail, which functions almost like a fifth limb, allow incredibly fast and precise movements among branches and vines, enabling it to navigate complex vertical environments. This primate is predominantly frugivorous, but supplements its diet with leaves, flowers, and insects, demonstrating a dietary flexibility that enhances its survival in dense tropical forests. Studies of spider monkeys show that they live in fission-fusion societies, where subgroups form and split throughout the day, a strategy that improves foraging efficiency and reduces conflict. They also exhibit sophisticated communication, using distinct vocalizations to alert others about predators, coordinate group movement, and maintain social bonds, revealing notable social intelligence. Their body structure, combined with complex behavior, makes the spider monkey an impressive example of arboreal adaptation, a perfect fusion of morphology, ecology, and behavior. Monkey number 5, the Zanzibar red colobus. The Zanzibar red colobus, native to the forests of East Africa, stands out not only for its reddish coat that provides camouflage in dense canopies, but also for its highly specialized leaf-based diet. This folivorous primate has developed an advanced digestive system, including a multi-chambered stomach similar to that of ruminants, allowing it to ferment and extract nutrients from fibrous vegetation that would be toxic to many other animals. This restricted diet strongly shapes its behavior and ecology. They must travel long distances in search of young, nutritious leaves while avoiding predators such as big cats and birds of prey. Red colobuses live in relatively small, cohesive groups, maintaining relationships through grooming and specific vocalizations. Research suggests that food competition and the need to avoid overlap with other leaf-eating species have shaped their territorial behavior and group structure, showing how diet, morphology, and sociality are deeply intertwined in the evolution of this fascinating primate. Monkey number 6, the Emperor Tamarin. The Emperor Tamarin, small and agile, stands out not only for its tiny size, but also for its remarkable ecological adaptability. These primates live in tight-knit family groups, typically made up of males, females, and offspring, where cooperation and communication are vital for survival. Their diet is highly diverse, including fruits, flowers, seeds, insects, and even small vertebrates, demonstrating the dietary flexibility that allows them to thrive across varied ecosystems, from dense tropical forests to secondary growth areas. Behavioral studies show that Emperor tamarins have notable cognitive abilities, such as spatial memory to locate seasonal food sources and teamwork strategies, including shared vigilance to detect predators. Communication among individuals is also sophisticated, using distinct vocalizations and body signals to coordinate movements, strengthen social bonds, and prevent conflict. Their structured social life and eclectic diet exemplify how small primates have evolved ingenious behavioral and physiological strategies to face environmental challenges while maintaining group cohesion. Monkey number 7, the golden snub-nosed monkey. The golden snub-nosed monkey is a small South American primate, notable not only for its golden fur and curious face, but also for its fascinating social habits. Native to the tropical forests of the Amazon, it lives in relatively small, well-organized groups where cooperation and constant communication are essential for finding food, warning about predators, and maintaining social unity. Its diet is predominantly frugivorous, but also includes leaves, flowers, and small insects, showing dietary flexibility that helps it adapt to seasonal resource variations. Behavioral studies reveal that the golden snub-nosed monkey uses a range of complex vocalizations to signal threats, identify group members, and coordinate movement, demonstrating advanced social intelligence. It also explores both vertical and horizontal layers of the canopy, leaping precisely between branches and vines, thanks to its strong limbs and specialized grasping hands and feet. Behaviors such as grooming, shared parental care, and sophisticated vocal communication illustrate how this species combines social strategies and physical adaptations to thrive in dense rainforest environments, a living example of the evolutionary ingenuity of South American primates. Monkey number 8, the golden lion tamarin. The golden lion tamarin is a small South American primate known for its brilliant golden coat and the mane framing its face, giving it an almost regal appearance. Native to Brazil's coastal forests, especially the remnants of the Atlantic forest, it lives in highly cohesive family groups, usually of 5 to 10 individuals, where cooperation is key to survival. This primate has a varied diet, including fruits, insects, small vertebrates, and nectar, showing flexibility that helps it handle resource scarcity and seasonal shifts in its fragmented habitat. Behavioral studies indicate that golden lion tamarins possess sophisticated social skills, such as shared parental care, cooperative territorial defense, and rich communication through differentiated vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions. They also move through the canopy with remarkable agility, leaping between branches with precision thanks to their strong limbs and long tail used for balance. As an endangered species, the golden lion tamarin has become a symbol of conservation efforts, showing how complex social behavior, adaptive intelligence, and ecological interaction combine to sustain a delicate species in a changing environment. Monkey number 9, the Uakari. The Uakari, easily recognizable by its bright red, almost hairless face, is a South American primate that fascinates scientists for both its unique appearance and complex social behavior. Native to the Amazon forests of Brazil, Peru, and Colombia, it lives in small groups of 10 to 20 individuals, where constant communication is essential for survival. These primates use a sophisticated mix of vocalizations, gestures, and physical contact to coordinate activities, strengthen social ties, and warn others of predators such as jaguars and large raptors. Their diet is mainly frugivorous, but also includes seeds, young leaves, and insects, an adaptive flexibility that supports survival in dense forest environments. Studies suggest that the bright red coloration of their face is linked to health and fertility, functioning as a social and sexual signal. Uakaris also show territorial behavior and dispersal strategies that minimize conflict with neighboring groups, displaying a combination of social intelligence, advanced communication, and ecological adaptation that ensures their survival in such a rich and competitive ecosystem. Monkey number 10, the Bornean Orangutan. Finally, the Bornean orangutan, inhabitant of the dense tropical forests of Borneo, impresses not only with its size and strength, but also with its intelligence and behavioral complexity. Mostly solitary, these primates spend much of their lives in trees, building elaborate nests for sleeping, renewed almost daily, which showcase fine motor skills and advanced planning. Bornean orangutans also demonstrate sophisticated tool use. They use sticks to extract insects from logs, leaves as umbrellas or napkins, and learn these techniques by observing others, revealing strong social learning and practical reasoning abilities. Their diet is mainly frugivorous, but also includes leaves, seeds, bark, and small invertebrates, and they possess extraordinary spatial memory to locate fruiting trees across vast territories. Each individual maintains a unique relationship with its territory, balancing resource exploration, minimal communication with others, and defense against natural threats such as leopards and humans. The combination of intelligence, strength, solitude, and strategic planning makes the Bornean orangutan an exceptional example of evolutionary adaptation, showcasing the fascinating complexity of great primates in tropical forest environments. Together, these 10 monkeys reveal the incredible diversity of primates, showing how different species have uniquely adapted to environmental pressures. Studying these animals is more than admiring nature's beauty and eccentricity. It's about understanding evolutionary patterns, ecological relationships, and complex behaviors that, in many ways, mirror traits we recognize in ourselves.